The HZXVOGEN 185A multi-process welder is a versatile tool that supports multiple welding functions including gas and gasless MIG, lift TIG, and arc, making it perfect for a variety of projects from car repairs to home DIY. With its intuitive, synergistic control system, this welder automatically adjusts wire speed and output voltage, ensuring optimal performance with minimal spatter and smooth wire feeding. Featuring a large and colorful LED display, this welder allows for easy reading and setting of parameters, making it user-friendly and convenient for selecting the desired welding mode. It is equipped with advanced protection features like a 60% duty cycle and safeguards against voltage fluctuations, overcurrent, overload, and overheating, enhancing its durability and reliability. The welder efficiently handles various materials, supporting different wire and electrode sizes for MIG, lift TIG, and MMA functions, making it adaptable for diverse welding tasks. This welding machine comes with essential accessories including an earth clamp, electrode holder, MIG torch, gas tube, and flux cord wire, providing everything needed to get started.